Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Active, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And on this panel, you should see a bunch of icons. One of them should be the moon icon. This is the Do Not Disturb mode icon. If you want to enable the mode, you can tap on this icon. The icon will get highlighted, and then you can swipe up on the screen to close the quick panel. And that's how you enable the mode. You can tell that the mode is enabled by the icon on the watch face or the icon being highlighted on the quick panel. And if you want to disable the mode, simply open the quick panel, tap on the icon again, it will go back to the gray color, and the icon from the watch face will disappear, which indicates that the mode is disabled. If your watch is paired with a phone, you can also enable and disable schedule for your Do Not Disturb mode. So basically it will turn on automatically and turn off automatically. So I'm gonna move my watch to the side, bring the phone, zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen. Now we're gonna wake up the screen on our phone, unlock it, open the Zap application. In the app we can tap on Profile, select our AMAZFIT Active, and here we can tap on Watch Settings, and then DND. And here we can tap on Auto Enable, and we have Time Do Not Disturb mode and Smart Do Not Disturb mode. If you want to use the schedule, tap on Time Do Not Disturb mode, then tap on Start Time, set the time on which the Do Not Disturb mode should be turning on. Then the end time. And once you're done, you can basically go back. And now my Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on automatically at 10:30 p.m. and turning off at 6 a.m. Okay, and that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.